Hi Perry, my name is Berkty from How to Repair. Hope you're okay and sorry to hear about the problem with your Beko BBIFA12300AC oven. Paul created a helpful FAQ page for your issue, and he addressed your problem with two possible faults. One is a timer or printed circuit board issue, and the other one is the selector switch issue. You can find the answer you need in this page. It took a little bit to put the useful PDF documents and the spare parts together, so we hope they helped solve your problem. Now let me explain the page and how it works. When you scroll down, you will see that there are some videos to help you reduce your repair time. Each page has a useful repair tips and a video. We suggest you to check these links and get more knowledge about the issue you have. When you scroll more, you will see that there are useful PDF documents like circuit diagrams, workshop manuals, exploded parts, and a full list of spares. So the workshop manual not only shows you the installation of your appliance, but also covers every components and how to access them with regards to replacing any of them. So the workshop manual absolutely explains everything you need. As I said before, we also added exploded diagrams. So if it is a timer or printed circuit board you're looking at, the number is 96. If you needed a selector switch, you would be looking at the number 93. And the other part could be the fan oven element, which is listed with the number of 98. And the good thing is, when you go down all the way through, you will see a full list of spares. So these are all clickable items, which means it will do a search for the part for you. So make sure to click the correct part or correct link you need. We also included link to our supplier in the answer. When you enter a full model number, it will show you a full list of spares with the pictures. There is also an affiliate link for a multimeter. So make sure to check these links if needed. It will also be great to support us. If you have further questions or need help for any of the oven models, please feel free to go to our contact us page with the full model number which is written on the identification plate. Thanks a lot for your time and cheers.